Okay, wait, where am I? This is not my room. I don't think I blend in very well. It's like the highway. Let them all go. There's no bed, no electricity. This feels way too real. These walls are literally made of mud, but it's kind of cool inside. Okay, yeah, never mind. It's still super hot. They're literally making flour by hand. Wow. Okay, hi, didn't expect that. All right, I think this is best. Okay, it's actually good, just very thick. Honestly, I could survive this. Wait, they're not using money, just trading.
This amphora for your basket of fruit.
And these beads for your linen? Okay, that was intense. Hey, this is beautiful. Now I get why everything depends on this. It's like the highway. Let them all go. So many boats. They're using this water for everything. Okay, I am melting now. Okay, I'm stepping outside. This is insane. This is actually ancient Egypt, like real life. Everyone looks like they just live here, obviously. I don't think I blend in very well. Everyone's already working, like early. They're literally making flour by hand. Wow. Okay, hi, didn't expect that. All right, I think this is breakfast. Okay, it's actually good, just very thick. Oh, wow, that's different. I hear noise. This must be the market. Whoa, this is piss-packed. That's actually kind of snarper. Okay, this is beautiful. I kind of want to take this home. Trade?
Yes, trade. What have you?
I don't think he takes credit cards. Okay, that was intense. I think that's the Nile. Wow, it's even more incredible up close. This is beautiful. Now I get why everything depends on this. They're using this water for everything. For the fields, for drinking, it's incredible. This is where their food comes from. That system is actually really smart. Okay, I am melting now. I needed that bed break. Wait, is that what I think it is? This is way more organized than I've expected. They're using ropes and teamwork. This isn't chaos, it's planned. I'm actually impressed. Okay, that was unreal. That has to be a temple. Okay, this feels different. Whoa, look at this. I feel like I should be quiet here. Every wall tells a story. These must be priests. This is actually happening. This feels power. I need a second after that. Okay, wow, that sunlight hits different after inside. All right, back to exploring. Life here never really stops, does it? Okay, wait, this is kind of cute. I think I'm the weird one here. These streets are so small, but everything connects. This is how most people live. Simple but functional. They store everything in these. No kitchens, just open fire cooking. It's a whole new world of cooking. Okay, yeah, my eyes are burning. Wait, this area looks different. Okay, this is definitely wealthier. Look at the space in here, and the walls are so clean. Same city, completely different lives. Same city, completely different lives. Yeah, I probably shouldn't go too close. There's definitely a system here. All right, back to safer ground. The heat is unreal right now. I needed that so bad. I don't know how they do this all day. And they just keep going. I respect that a lot. I'm heading back to the Nile. It's cooler there. This feels amazing. Everything flows through here. This place is actually beautiful. Okay, sunset is starting. This lighting is insane. Everything feels calmer now. The day is winding down. Dinner time, I guess. Even now, people are still trading. This has been a lot to take in. And the sky. Wow. No lights, just stars. I thought this would feel primitive. But it's actually really advanced. Different, but it works. And honestly, I respect it. I don't even know how I got here. But I'm glad I did. This was unforgettable. Back to where this started. Same place, different feeling. This place is tough, but incredible. I'm exhausted. Okay, I think I'm staying here tonight. Hopefully, I wake up back home. If not, I guess this is my life now. Ancient Egypt, day 1 complete. Wait, is it starting again?